Hi, good morning, my dear friends. Now, I would like to present before you a small topic. Difference between webinar and web conference or online teaching. Nowadays, most of the people are organizing different online classes, and all of us are watching these classes just by telling that I'm going to watch a webinar today. And we are getting some certificates telling that this person has attended a webinar on a particular day and such things. Actually, these are not webinars. What is a webinar? A webinar is a web version of seminar. Then you have to think about seminar. What is a seminar? A seminar is a program where a few people will come and as experts, and they will present a theme. Then some others will come and present some well-prepared papers on some subtopics related to the main topic of the seminar. So there should be paper presentation by different people. And this is a seminar. And then these paper presenters will be asked some questions by the audience, other paper presenters and other delegates, and they have to clarify the doubts of the questioners. And this is a seminar. Offline seminar. Then webinar is a web version of seminar. Actually, in a seminar, paper presenters, experts, organizers, delegates, participants, all the people should come together physically at a particular place, and they will be having some discussion among them face to face. And this is a seminar. But webinar is a web version of a seminar where all the characteristics of seminar should be there, but physical presence will not be there. So people are discussing different matters or related to the topics by sitting at their home, at their office, or at any place where they are during the time of the webinar. The only difference is we are using some web platform for organizing the item. So if there is a webinar, or if you have to call something a webinar, there should be papers by different people. I do not mean that written paper, but there should be presentation by different people. So you have to invite papers, and you have to collect papers, and you have to make some scrutiny, and you have to select some papers on the basis of quality and significance of the topic. Then you have to give them or allot them some span of time for presenting their papers. Then when the webinar starts, some experts would come and they would present the theme first. Then there will be some moderators, just like the chair of the session. Then the selected papers should be presented by the paper presenters by sitting at their home or at their office or at any place where they are during the seminar. So webinar is seminar on the go. So nowadays we are seeing that people are notifying or announcing that there is a seminar on this topic and the topic will be handled by a particular person, and this person will be online and he will be presenting the topic, then all others will be listening to him, and after that sometimes there may be some question and answer session for clarifying the doubts. And this is not webinar, this is online class, because you are teaching some people some topic by making use of an online platform, because you are not able to teach them in person or seeing them face before you physically. So this is the web version of classroom teaching, or web version of a talk, or web version of a lecture. So such programs can be called as online teaching or online classes or web classes or virtual classes. So I'm not blaming anyone, okay. Nowadays we have got some problem before us, and most of the people are not able to come together. So we are organizing some web classes for our students as well as students of other colleges, then teachers of other colleges. So I'm not blaming, but technically these programs cannot be called webinars. These are some online classes or web classes or virtual classes. If you have to organize a webinar, then it should keep all the features of a seminar. And only one difference will be there, that is, you are making use of a web platform for having the sessions. Thank you very much.